Welcome to ROBEL. Since 1901, ROBEL has been developing, manufacturing and supplying track construction machines with a reputation for the highest quality, safety and reliability. ROBEL cares about your safety. Please follow the instructions of our staff and comply with our guidelines. Wear appropriate safety gear. During the tour, remain with your group at all times. Stay on the marked paths and beware of moving vehicles. Take note of warning signs and tripping hazards. Do not step under suspended loads. Keep your distance from operating machinery and welding processes. Do not enter or operate machines without authorization from a member of staff. Please note that photography and video recording is not permitted and alcohol is prohibited throughout the factory premises. Thank you. Enjoy your visit to ROBEL.